Welcome to this quick guide on how to block someone on WhatsApp. If you're tired of unwanted messages or calls, blocking the contact is a straightforward solution. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. You'll see several tabs at the top, including Chats, Status, and Calls. Tap on the Chats tab to view all your conversations. Next, find and tap on the chat of the person you want to block. This could be a friend, family member, or someone you no longer wish to communicate with. Once you're in the chat, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen. This will open their profile information. Scroll down through the profile details until you see the option to block. Tap on this to proceed with blocking the contact. You'll then be prompted to confirm your action by tapping Block again. This step is crucial, as it ensures you're certain about blocking the person. By blocking someone on WhatsApp, you prevent them from sending you messages, making calls, or seeing your status updates. The existing chat will remain in your chat list, but you won't receive any new messages from the blocked contact. If you want to remove the chat entirely, you can delete it or archive it for later reference. Blocking is a useful feature for managing your privacy and avoiding unwanted interactions. If you ever need to unblock someone, you can do so by going to your WhatsApp settings, selecting Privacy, and then Blocked Contacts. From there, you can unblock any contact you've previously blocked. Remember, if you feel threatened or harassed, it's important to report the contact to WhatsApp and consider reaching out to local authorities for assistance. WhatsApp provides tools to help you stay safe and in control of your online interactions. That's it. Blocking someone on WhatsApp is a simple process that helps you maintain your digital well-being. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below.